Hello everyone, my name is Mildred Cardenas. I'm going to show what I do for Socrative program for make a quiz. I'm going to log in and use teacher. If you see my name here, my email, I'm going to quiz and I use the Los Colores as the title because it's for a Spanish teacher. And click for opening and choose delivered method. I use instant feedback. Require names, show question, and final is scored. Okay, this the final score. In this appear names. You can use for don't show the names and don't show the answer. With IUSA, you have the option for do that. And finish. We are going to see and check marker. Or I show you what I create. This is the when I edit the quiz. This is my able sharing number. The title is Los Colores. And the first question is what is my last name and my name? What is my email? The third one, what is the color for the apple? The answer is here. And write a little information about the apple for the imagine. The fourth one is for the what is the color of the sea? True or false? I use this option. The explanation right here. The fifth, what is the color for the house? I use true or false. I give a little information about for this question. The other one is what is the color for the butterflies? This is the option multiply. The explanation. If I want to change something and edit right here, I can choose what is the correct answer and save it. The other one is what is the colors in this imagine. I use a true or false. And the last one, the same. This is you have the option for multiple choice, true or false, or short answer. I use short answer for the first one and second question. When you're done, when I done, I save and that's it. We are going to now for the reports. And put what check marker. This is the result for this one. We come back, do the second one, and try 2 or 3 times for what is the best way. Here is the results. I change for show the names and show the answer. You can see them right here. That's it for teacher. For I use for a student, I made the link for a student login. I give my name for join. You refresh. And start here for the question for the students. And when they done, I'm going to back for teacher. I saw the answer and I'm done. Thank you.